Welcome back. It's time now for news from overseas.
Attorneys General in the states of New York and New Jersey have launched an investigation into ticket pricing and seating arrangements for matches at the upcoming 2026 FIFA World Cup. New York Attorney General Letitia James and New Jersey Attorney General Jennifer Davenport announced that they are seeking documents from FIFA over concerns that fans may have been misled about seat locations and ticket pricing at MetLife Stadium, which will host several matches, including the World Cup final. Officials say FIFA altered seating maps after tickets had already gone on sale by creating new seating zones and premium front sections within existing categories. The investigation will also examine how tickets were allocated and the number of seats available in each category. And US President Donald Trump says a broader agreement between the US and Iran has been largely negotiated, signaling possible progress toward ending months of conflict between the two countries. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said the agreement is subject to final approval by the US, Iran, and other involved countries. Under the proposed arrangement, hostilities would end while the Strait of Hormuz would gradually reopen and restrictions on Iranian ports would ease. The deal would also reportedly allow some frozen Iranian assets held overseas to be released. However, Iran's state-affiliated Fars news agency has disputed claims that the Strait of Hormuz would fully reopen, insisting the waterway would remain under Iranian control and that shipping access would not return to unrestricted pre-war conditions. And those were some of the top stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shaneberg.
And the primetime news package will continue with sports right after the break. And who do we have this evening?
Jermaine Brown.